Hi everyone, we're going to solve the logarithmic equations and we're going to reject any value that's not in the domain of the original answer. And basically what that second part means right here is that we know that this quantity here has to be positive. The domain of log is x must be positive. So we're talking about the whole quantity here. This whole quantity has to be positive. And the same for this one. And we're going to use our properties of logarithms and our other formulas to rewrite the log. So basically, what I'm going to do is use the fact that log base of m plus log base of n equals log base of m times n for this first part. So that's just your product property, and we're going to write this as a single log. Then we have a 2 over here. The second thing I'm going to use is the fact that I can write log base 2 of x equals some power. I can write this as 2 to the power equals x. Alright, so my base is 2, my power is 2, and this part right here is my value of x. I could have put n instead, but I'm going to go ahead and distribute the x. So we get x squared minus 3x. Now this equals 4, so I'm just going to move it to the right side here. Now I'm going to factor. So my solution set should be x equals 4 and x equals negative 1. Whoops, why did I put negative 4? Negative 1. And you have to check your answer. So if we look at 4 and I plug in 4 here, that makes this positive. Plug in 4 there, this quantity will be positive. So this one checks. If I check negative 1, right away I can see negative 1's not going to work here because it's not in the domain. And it also doesn't work in this one. But it only needs to not work in 1 and you're good. So basically we have to reject this one. So only have one solution, and that is 4. The next one, I'm going to use my quotient property. So if I have log base m of, or log base of some m minus log base of some n, that equals as a single log, and if you condense it, log base of m over n. So that's what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to write as a single log and condense this. So that's going to be x plus 2 over x equals 2. And again, I'm going to use my property that log base of some value n equals p, and I can rewrite that as b, my base to the power equals my value, n. So my base is 4, my power is 2, and my n, my value would be x plus 2 over x. So this is 16. If you cross multiply, cross this up here and this up there, this is going to be 16x equals x plus 2. Subtract the x from both sides, so you get 15x equals 2. So x equals 2 over 15. Now let's check that they work. And you don't have to actually you don't have to get the exact value here. All you have to do is plug it in. So when I plug this in, I know that's going to be positive. When I plug 2 over 15 in here, I know that's positive. So I know that's my solution set for that. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.